Hello everybody and welcome to metric conversion practice. Let me just move this down real quick. Alright, so we all learned today about metric conversions. So let's just go over it again. We're going to sing our funny song, King Henry Died by Drinking Chocolate Milk. Okay, so we have King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And this is going to help you throughout making these conversions because it's going to give you a nice starting point. So B stands for our base unit, and our base units are grams, liters, and meters. Okay, so working off of that, you can have kilograms, you can have kiloliters, or you can have kilometers. You can have hectograms, hectoliters, hectometers. You can have decagrams, so that's DAG. You can have decaliters, or you can have decameters. Okay, so this is deci, so you can have decigrams, deciliters, and decimeters. Centi, so centigrams, centiliters, centimeters, and this is milli, so we can have milligrams, milliliters, or millimeters. All right, so this is going to give you a nice starting point. Again, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to switch over to the next page and we can see how we're going to start using this. So we are being asked to convert 23.6 centimeters to meters. So if we sang our little song, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So we are starting here and we need to move here to our base unit because we are at centimeters and we just want to get to meters. So this tells us how many points we need to move the decimal, okay? So if we have 23.6 centimeters, we're moving this way towards our base unit. That means we need to move our decimal twice this way. So you get 0.236 meters. Okay, that would be our answer in meters. Let's try another one. So we are going to convert 0.97 meters to kilometers. So again, our nice song, there we go, sorry. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So we are at our base unit of meters and we want to get to kilometers. So we move our decimal 1, 2, 3 spots. Okay, so we have 0.97. Let's just make that decimal a little bit bigger. And we need to move it to the left. To the left, to the left. Sorry. All right. So it would give us an answer of 0.00097 kilometers. Okay, let's try another one. All right, so we have 77.8 decameters and we want to convert it to kilometers. So again, our fancy dancy song, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. We are here. We need to get here. We move it 1, 2 spots. So we have 77.8, move that over twice, and we have 0.778 kilometers. All right, more examples. Okay, so this time we are working with liters. So we are converting 56 milliliters to liters. So to do that, we do the same process, okay? So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so we have milliliters. So we are here and we are asked to get to our base unit. And our base unit can be grams, it can be meters, or it can be liters. So that is what we are looking for right now. So we are at milliliters, and we are trying to get to liters. So that is a 1, 2, 3 decimal point move. Okay? So we have 56 milliliters, so that decimal is right there. So we need to move it over 1, 2, 3 spots. So I'll go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3. So we add a 0 here. So we have 0.056 milliliters. Oh, I am so sorry, liters. I did the math right, but just wrote the units wrong. All right, so 0.056 liters. All right, so let's try another example. I believe this is the last one. All right, convert 100 kilograms to grams. So, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. We are at kilograms, so we are here. We are trying to get to our base unit of grams. So 1, 2, 3 is where we're going to move the decimal. So we start with 100. That decimal is right here. So we go 1, 2, 3. That decimal is now right there. We add in the zeros. So we have 100,000 grams. Okay? And if you guys have any trouble with this or need to see more examples, please reach out to me. I have no problem showing you how to do things. But if you do not want to talk to me, I guess I understand. But you can also go to ilecturer.com, Khan Academy, Crash Course. These are all great resources for you, and I want you to take advantage of them. But again, feel free to reach out to me, and I hope you all have a great day, and I can't wait to see you again.